I'm gonna show you how to make AI videos that look identical to you. And I'm sure you've seen the AI videos of people on TikTok. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do. And the softwares that I'm gonna be using is what I believe to be the best AI video maker softwares out there, and it's actually extremely easy. So if you wanna up your content game or just make funny AI videos of yourself, then this tutorial is for you. Oh, also check this out.
You can also add speech to your videos to make a short film.
Before I get in, make sure you're subscribed, and this is going to be a step-by-step video. So if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, because I'm gonna walk you through absolutely everything. First, you need to take 10 photos of yourself, and you can't have your phone blocking your face or it be super dark in the room. So you need to have a well-lit face, kind of like mine is now, and just take a few pictures. You need at least 10. We're gonna take these photos and put it into a data set and then feed that to the AI. And I know I'm using big words, but don't worry, this is extremely easy. Once the photos are done, you're gonna download Google Drive on your phone and you're gonna upload those to a Google Drive. And then you're gonna go to your laptop and you're gonna go to Google Drive and log into that account. Then we're gonna go to the file that we save the AI pictures to. So here are all my pictures, and we're just gonna download them onto our device. Once they're all downloaded, you're gonna open up File Explorer, and you're gonna put it into wherever you want. For me, I just put mine into Documents. So to do that, all you need to do is select the photos that you just downloaded, right click, and then copy them. Right, then go to Documents, and then right click, and do New, and then click Folder. And then you'll just say like AI data set. And then you're gonna click into the folder and right click, and then you're gonna paste those pictures into there. Remember, this has to be at least 10. Then you're gonna take these photos and then right click them, and then you're gonna compress to zip file, because to put into the AI, it needs to be a zip file. I already have my zip file made, so these are all the photos in it. So if we click into my zip file, we can see that these are all the pictures of me. That is a horrible picture. I'm taking that one out. Let's find something good. That is also a bad picture. Damn, where's a good picture? Okay, see, there we go. There's a good one. All right, cool. Then we're gonna go to replicate.ai. It's gonna be this one right here. And you will need to create a GitHub account if you don't have one. That's all, it's super easy. It takes like 20 seconds. And if you click on the website, it'll automatically prompt you to create a GitHub account. Once you're signed in, you're gonna go to Dashboard and search up Ostrus. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's gonna be this one, FlexDov LoRa-trainer. You're gonna scroll down, and for destination, it says select a model. All you have to do is create one. So I already have one called Landon AI. All you're gonna do is just type in, let's say, test 2 for video. So you can name this pretty much whatever you want. You don't want a space in there. And after that, you just click enter and it will automatically pop up. Now we're gonna make this private. And when you're gonna input your images, you're gonna click in here and then click this little cloud button right here. And then click back, and it's gonna ask you to upload your zip file. So you're gonna go back to your documents or wherever you stored it, and you're just gonna click into, let's say, I think this was my data set. That is not my data set. AI pics. Okay, it was this one. And then you're just gonna upload your data set like that. And then you need a trigger word. So this is what's kind of gonna activate your AI to prompt you to pull from that data set, the AI to pull from that data set. So we're just gonna use like D cubed. So D to the 3rd power, that's what they call me. And then as auto caption prefix. So for this, I'm just gonna put photo of young, white, blonde man. Now for auto captions, we don't have to put anything. For steps, we don't have to put anything. So lower rank right here, it's gonna take your AI model longer to train on, but it makes sure that it gets like every single detail in your face. So we're just gonna turn this up to like, I don't know, we'll do 64. That's pretty average, but 64 will take probably like 30-ish minutes to train your AI model, but don't worry about it. It's really not that long. Then we're gonna scroll down and you're just gonna click create training. And this will probably take you around 20 to 30 minutes for your AI model to be ready. So I'm not gonna wait 20 minutes for that to be done. I already have my AI model trained and I use the exact same steps that I just taught you to train this model. So for our prompt, this is my little cheat code that I like to do. I use AI to generate an actual really good prompt for it. So I just go to ChatGPT, and if we go to my history, I already have a really good prompt that I came up with. It's the AI night portrait prompt. So what I did is I told it, if I wanted AI to generate a pic of me in a night outfit, holding a sword, cinematic shot, and a medieval vibe, what would I put into the prompt? And ask me 5 questions so I can answer it to help you generate a good prompt. And it gave me the questions and I told it whatever, but it decided to generate a picture for me. But I said, no, give me a prompt, I can put it to another AI. So it gave me this prompt right here. So I'm gonna copy this prompt. I'm gonna go back to my thing. I'm gonna paste it in, but you need to have your call out word. Remember the D cubed that I gave in? So create cinemagic portrait of, and right here, we're gonna do D cubed, right there. Dressed in weathered, worn medieval outfit, knight's armor, holding a long sword in a determined heroic pose. And when it says the knight stands, we're gonna do the young blonde man. Stands on the battlefield scarred. Okay, cool, so I'm liking this one and we're gonna keep scrolling down and down, and I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it'll fit a YouTube video. And then we're gonna keep scrolling down, and the number of outputs, that's what I'm gonna change to 3, because sometimes you'll see like your face might be a little messed up or something. And we're gonna keep scrolling down. I'm not gonna change any of this stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the lower scale at 1, go down, and we're just gonna click run. And now it's gonna generate 3 pictures of myself using the data set that we just gave it with my face on it. Wow, these pictures are actually really good. So we got the first one. Now this second one's a little messed up, but this first one actually looks really good. And that third one looks really good as well. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna download these pictures and let's check them out one by one. So we're gonna go back to our file explorer to see them downloaded. We're gonna scroll down to our downloads. I'm gonna close all of the documents. And now it's gonna be in a zip file. So what we're gonna do is click on it and we're gonna find the best one that we like. We're gonna open it with Google Chrome, always. Okay, so that's not bad. My face looks a bit small, but that one, it looks pretty good. So I'm liking that one. Now I don't like this second one. My head looks smushed. I don't really like it. So that's why we always do 3 outputs on it. I believe the top one was probably my favorite. Okay, yeah, I really like this top one. So what we're gonna do with this top one is we're gonna go in and we're gonna copy it so we can get it out of this zip file. Now we could just unzip it, but that's lame. This is a lot easier. Cool, so I accidentally pasted it twice, but we have it in our downloads now out of the zip file. Now, for me, this is a must do, the second step. I'm going to upscale the image because if you look closely at the image, it's a little bit grainy, it's not high quality. So we're gonna go to Magnific, however you say it. Now you're just gonna have to log in and create an account. As you can see, I've already done some photos before. Now this stuff is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to show you what the power of this stuff. So we're just gonna click upload. It's automatically gonna pull up our file explorer and we're gonna click in. We don't have to write a prompt. All we do is just click Magnificent, if that's, I don't know, Upscaler. We're gonna do optimize for portrait soft, scale factor ×2. Now you need to turn the resemblance all the way up to 10 because it could change, like sometimes it'll mess up your face, but you want it to look exactly like you. So we're gonna turn the resemblance to 10. Now we're just gonna click upscale. And now this will take like a few minutes, but it's gonna upscale and it's gonna look insanely good. Okay, so I just got it done and it maybe took 30 seconds to a minute, and look at the quality that it changed. If we just swipe left, boom. It's now like HD 4K. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click download on this top button right here on the left. We're gonna download it as a PNG. Now we're getting to the fun part. So now we're gonna open up a new browser and we're gonna go to Kling AI Video Generator. In my opinion, this is one of the best video generators there is. You're gonna make a Kling account and it's super easy. It's just like setting up a Google account. Once you're in, you're gonna go to AI Videos and it's automatically gonna take you to the image to video generator. All you're gonna do is extremely easy. It's just click in, go to your downloads, and this is the top file that automatically downloaded when we download it to our downloads file. We're gonna click the top one, and it's gonna have the upscale. So you wanna make sure you don't use the other one that you didn't upscale. It's gonna upload in there. And now for a prompt. We don't have to write a prompt, but what I'm gonna do is write just a small prompt just to help it out a little bit, generate the best video that we want. So what I did is I just put the man walks forward and raises his sword up. So we're gonna see if it actually raises his sword up. That'd be really cool if it did. So we're gonna go down. We're not gonna mess with this at all. Creativity, we're gonna leave the same. Now mode, you wanna switch to professional mode. Now we could do a 10-second video, but that's gonna take like 15, 20 minutes to do, but the 5-second video only takes like a few minutes. So generate counts, we're gonna do 1 count. Camera movement, we're gonna leave it at that. negative prompt, we're not gonna touch that. So now we're gonna generate, and it's only 35 credits, so it's really relatively good price. The video just finished, so you're gonna see my raw reaction. So this video is terrible, you're gonna see it. That's actually really good. I don't like the way my mouth did whatever the hell it just did, but it was pretty good. Now here's how to do the lip sync. So all you do is click lip sync at the bottom and it's gonna identify everything, and then you can pick what voice you wanna use. Now I like lore because it has lore to it. Now in this little text box, you're just gonna put whatever you want to it. Hopefully you guys had fun learning, and subscribe for more AI and cybersecurity focused tips.